Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Welcome back to our English practice podcast.
Yes, here we practice English with very simple sentences, easy vocabulary, and fun, natural conversation.
No difficult grammar, no heavy words.
Just friendly English practice you can understand easily. And today's topic is something everyone struggles with your phone usage.
Your phone usage. Let's start.
So, Alex, how much do you use your phone?
Um, a healthy, reasonable, normal amount, which is too much.
Same here. I touch my phone like 200 times a day.
Yes. The phone is not a device, it's a lifestyle.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Check my phone, even before opening both eyes.
Same. I wake up, grab my phone, and then remember I forgot to brush.
Phone first, hygiene later.
Do you check your screen time?
Yes, and whenever I check it, I cry.
Yes. Screen time always says, Congratulations, you wasted 6 hours today.
Worst award ever.
I open Instagram just for 5 minutes, and suddenly 40 minutes are gone.
Same. Reels are dangerous. One reel is funny, next reel is funny, and then the 200th reel is also funny.
And we can't stop.
Notifications are also a daily problem.
Yes. My phone says ting, and I check. And it's just a random app saying, Hey, buy this.
My phone says update available every day, but my heart says not today.
Do you use your phone before sleep?
Yes, very bad habit. I say 5 minutes, then suddenly it's 1 a.m.
Same. I scroll till my eyes say, Please stop, we are tired.
One time, I opened my phone to check the time, and 20 minutes later, I still didn't know the time.
Oh my god, yes. I open my phone for something serious and end up watching cooking videos. And I don't even cook. Do you ever try to reduce phone usage?
Yes, I keep my phone far away, but my phone calls me, Alex, come back.
Yes, my phone is like a jealous friend.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I use my phone every day.
Sometimes I use it too much.
I watch videos and scroll social media.
I want to control my screen time.
I try to take phone breaks.
I want a healthy phone routine.
Great job. Too much phone usage can make you tired and kill your time.
Yes, but controlled phone usage can be helpful.
Everything is good in balance. Phone also.
Use your phone, but don't let it control you.
Alex, do you get distracted because of your phone?
Distracted? Mia, I get distracted by just the screen turning on.
Same. I study for 2 minutes and check my phone for 20 minutes.
Productivity 2%. Phone 98%.
Do you use your phone while eating?
Yes, but then I forget to eat.
How do you forget to eat?
I watch videos, laugh, scroll, and suddenly my food is cold.
Same. Food gets ignored, but phone gets full attention.
Do you use your phone while walking?
Yes, but it's dangerous. One time, I almost hit a pole.
I did hit a pole. Alex versus pole equals pole wins.
Phones make us blind. Sometimes I feel anxious when I don't check my phone, like something important will happen.
Same. Even if my phone is silent, my brain says, maybe someone texted you. And when I check, It's just a message from an app saying, sale 5% off.
Yes, apps send more messages than humans. I try to take phone breaks sometimes.
Me too. But after 10 minutes, I start missing my phone.
You miss your phone like it's your boyfriend.
My phone is my boyfriend.
Alex, no!
I also have FOMO sometimes.
Fear of missing out?
Yes, I think, what if I miss a funny reel?
Alex, your priorities are iconic.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I use my phone a lot.
Sometimes it distracts me.
I check my phone in the morning.
I scroll social media daily.
I want to control my screen time.
I will try to take phone breaks.
Great job!
How to reduce phone usage?
Here are some easy tips. Put your phone far away while working. Keep it on silent mode. Set screen time limits. Take short breaks. Do real life activities.
Yes, and talk to real humans sometimes.
Phones are useful, but too much phone can make you tired.
Yes, use your phone wisely. Don't let it control your day.
Balance is the key. Enjoy your phone, but enjoy your life too.
Well said.
Okay, Alex, this was a super relatable final part.
Yes, everyone uses their phone too much, including us.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Stay balanced, stay focused, stay healthy.
Bye!
Bye.